In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. We'll set up a simple workflow that keeps your Obsidian Vault in step with Google Drive using a trusted third-party sync app. Follow along carefully so you don't lose any notes, and consider making a quick backup of your Vault before you begin. Start in Obsidian, launch the app, and on the home screen, choose Open Folder as Vault. Select the folder where you want your notes to live. Picking a dedicated, clearly named folder makes the next steps easier, and it keeps your attachments and settings together in one place. Because Obsidian doesn't integrate with Google Drive out of the box, you'll install AutoSync for Google Drive from the Play Store. This app keeps a folder on your device synchronized with a folder in your Google Drive account automatically in the background. Open AutoSync and tap the green Connect to Google Drive button. Sign in with the Google account you want to use and grant the requested permissions. When you're connected, scroll to the bottom and choose the option labeled Choose What to Sync. Next, create a folder pair so AutoSync knows exactly which two folders should mirror each other. Select Let me create my own folder pair. Give it a clear name, such as Obsidian Vault, so you can recognize it later. For the remote folder, pick or create the Google Drive location that will store the vault, for example, a Drive folder named Obsidian. For the local folder, select the folder on your device that contains your Obsidian Vault. Make sure you choose the Vault's root folder, the one that holds your notes and settings. Leave the sync method set to two-way sync, so changes update both on your device and in Google Drive. Then tap Save at the top. That's the setup done. AutoSync will now monitor both folders and keep them in sync. Any changes you make in Obsidian appear in your Drive folder, and edits made in Drive sync back to your device. The first sync may take a moment if your vault is large, so keep the app open and stay online. To avoid conflicts, try not to edit the same note on two devices at once. If you rely on mobile, allow AutoSync to run in the background so changes continue even when the screen is off. You're all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.